is about, man. I know it's been a while, but I just want to show you guys how I study for any kind of test. This is just me. Like, let's say this is my test, or my study guide, or anything like that. When they say the last minute to cram it, I cram it in my head. Like that. That's how I study. You know what? I don't know if this really works. You guys don't try it. But,